Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial. So this tutorial is going to be about Wix CMS platform. So in this tutorial, this is going to be about how to add an upload button. So let's say if you want to receive files, be it in any format, maybe it can be audio and video, just video, audio, like a document, audio file, so whatever can be the case. If you want your users to like from this case like any of the files to upload it and you to receive, then you can add an upload button. So you can add it on any of the page or any of the form basically. So to add it, click on add to site, then buttons and upload buttons, then click on the one of these and just drag it. Then there are settings that you see, then the options that you can set, then the max number of files, that is the limit. Then if you want to show it required, you can add your field title name, node files like this, and do upload and click on change this to submit here, something like that. Then text below button like this, like show file and only show custom text. And we uploaded files, you can click on this and you can see it is showing it uploads and nothing to see here because there is nothing to show here. That's why it is showing nothing. So you can see here once you feel like you have users that uploaded here something, you can check. Then there is the layout that you can select one of these like this. Then there is a design. So as you can see, these are the buttons that were there previously while adding the button. So here we can again select that these are the buttons if you want. Otherwise, you can click on these colors and change on your own here. You customize it however whichever format you want. So let's change it sometime. Okay. Okay. So I hope you get it. Thanks for watching.